Hello, Lyssa here. Today I want to take you on a magic carpet ride. There's something about having the freedom of creating and weaving your own magic carpet and allowing it to take you where you need to go that is, well, magical. So I hope you enjoyed this visualization and let's go. Taking a deep breath into your comfortable body, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And as you're breathing in, notice how your body draws the air and oxygen to where it needs it to be. And as you breathe out, notice your body relaxing. Breathing in and breathing out. And starting with your fingers and your toes, breathing down into those digits, breathing in and breathing out. Letting go of all the tension in your feet and hands. And you notice you're breathing into your legs and that they're starting to feel heavy and relaxed. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing into your arms, your forearms, and your upper arms, and your knees. Breathing in and breathing out any tension. Up into your shoulders, and your hips, and your stomach. Breathing in and breathing out. Any discomfort, any tension. Your body feels relaxed and calm. And then into your head. Breathing in. Feeling any cobwebs dissipating. And breathing out. And as you enjoy this relaxation in your body, notice there is a beautiful carpet on the ground in front of you. And as you look at this carpet, weave with your mind different colors through the weft of the yarn in this carpet and design the most beautiful carpet you can in your mind. It has amazing colors. It may be woven very ornately or very neatly. This is your magic carpet. And you take great care in pulling together the colors and the design. And then when you've completed it, reach down and touch it and feel the texture of the woven material before you. Notice the colors. Notice any imagery that shows up in your carpet. And on each corner is a tassel. And touch the tassel and maybe straighten it or fluff it, braid it, whatever you want. But just notice that you have the most beautiful carpet in front of you with 4 tassels. And ask the carpet to float. And as it's floating before you, take a seat upon your magic carpet. Notice how it gently sways as you put your weight upon it, but also recognize that you feel completely safe. This is your magic carpet. It is here to serve you. Breathe in and breathe out as your body adjusts to the flexibility of this beautiful carpet below you. Notice how your body feels wonderfully light, safe, and clear. And breathe in the beautiful clear air around you. Breathing in and breathing out. And now invite the carpet to take you where you need to go for an adventure. Notice it pick up a little bit of speed as it starts to move where you want it to go. Breathing in and breathing out. And trusting the carpet to take you to exactly the right place. Notice below you what's passing. Maybe it's towns or forests or lakes, trees or buildings. It could be anything. Breathing in and breathing out. And as you look below you, notice as you skim over the earth that any problems or difficulties are drifting into the past. You're leaving them behind as you relax and revel in your magic carpet ride. Notice if your carpet starts to move like a roller coaster, dipping and turning. Have fun with it. Let it spin or circle, do loop-de-loops. Your imagination is the limit, and let it freely ride your carpet. Breathing in and breathing out. And notice as your magic carpet comes to a place that it wants you to be in, where it has brought you. Look around yourself and notice where you find yourself now. Notice the sounds, the colors, the textures all around you. If you feel so moved, step off your magic carpet and explore around you. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Notice the space of calm. Maybe it's serene and calm. Maybe it's exciting. But notice what energy it brings to you to be in this place that your magic carpet has brought you to. And notice what you love about the feeling coursing through your body as you experience this space. And as you wander and look about yourself, notice something you can hold on to take with you. Something that will support you in the next week, bringing with it the air of adventure and joy and laughter and calm. Breathing in and breathing out. And when you're ready, if you've taken yourself off your magic carpet, allow yourself to climb back on. And if you're on your magic carpet, allow yourself to get comfortable and ready for a ride. And as you settle yourself, ask your magic carpet to take you back to your body. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And as you're coming back into your body, notice the object, idea, image that you've brought back with you that you need for this week. Breathing in and breathing out. And allow yourself to come back more fully into your body, knowing that you're taking what you need and rolling up your magic carpet with its beautiful colors and textures and keeping it near you so you can access it at any time you would like. Breathing in and breathing out. And as you open your eyes, bring all the wonderful feelings you had back with you. When you're ready, come back and open your eyes again.